Natural Vibes Riddim, Kurtiouss, Reggae Vibes Music. This is Ginjah. Let's go.
Yeah. Energy flows, their attention goes, yeah.
Brand new, it's coming out this Friday, the whole Riddim.
Yeah. There's a place, there's a time for us to look within. Cause I know love is mine again.
Yo!
There's a place, there's a time for everything.
Sassy Rasta.
But love will reign again. Jamana love, that me say. And all the negative vibes, if you move and go back. Me love me life.
Sexy Sean, welcome in.
I love alone where you push out there. Accentuate only positivity.
Ginjah emoji.
Love me daddy and me love me mommy.
Can I get some Ginjah emojis in the chat?
It's stylish, yeah. Warning to the ungodly. There's a place, there's a time for us to look within.
Pre-release, coming out this Friday.
Love is mine again.
Hey, Kelly, go on here.
There's a place, there's a time for everything. But love will reign again.
Turbulence.
Since you became my spouse, all I see is blue skies. Looks like all the clouds have now departed. I'm so glad we started. Smooth sailing,
Jamaica.
good time. The rough wave have now subsided.
This is Reggae Wednesdays.
But since you decided to be mine, I'm glad you took the time to be mine. It was by design, 'cause baby you will always be my girl.
You always.
Baby I will always be my girl. Them a boys, them a troublemaker. We fire gun all troublemaker.
Powerman.
Who bad, say God greater. The universe and
May do a quick premiere, people, alright?
take them with a wicked generation. The vipers are for them time now. All wicked people we are.
Cheryl Bless, welcome in.
You worship evil, burn them right now. And the pagan blaze the fire right now. Generation of vipers are for them time now. All wicked people we are born right now. You worship evil, burn the fire right now. And the pagan blaze.
Remember, you heard it here first. This Riddim is dropping on Friday.
Them a work to see it.
Natural Vibes Riddim, come on.
Rise up again.
Pressure Busspipe.
Black man living in a perilous time. Got to strengthen your heart and your mind. Living in a perilous time.
Every time, Cheryl, every time.
Be left way behind. Living in a perilous time. That's the way that the system designed. Living in a perilous time. Still them can't stop the people from shine. Yeah.
Which Riddim that Kelly?
To make it while the sun shine. Yeah. Love is the solution, so me burn crime. Yeah. Got to make it while the sun shine.
Here comes Lutan Fyah, this one.
Yes, I see judgments rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. My people don't watch no face, no cause we are sent for born pagan, yeah. Cause even in Africa, people are scared. That's why them a get rid of a conflict. Man, this is judgment rising up, it's out there, oh yeah. And contemplating we bless. It hard so cold, there's prosperity in your face. Cause if you drop a duck when getting up, you better make case, or else your folk gonna step in your space. And if you can't keep up the kids, it's gonna step in your place. Cause it's a game with the filthy rich win.
That's Jimmy.
It's a one from
Cheryl
Africa.
Bless.
People were slaves, take your precaution, I send you down.
I'm man feeling joyful.
Rufftop Rock High.
God know me feeling.
Familiar with the names, alright?
Keep my heart. Never let it be the same. No. Keep me joyful. Life so.
Natural Vibes Riddim. Dropping this Friday.
My heart.
World premiere.
Never let it deplete.
J. Shephard. One called Higher.
Girl, you got me going in. Take your time, let love begin. Because it's all right now. Let me take you further, let me take you higher now. You got me going in. Take your time, let love begin. Because this all I know. Let me take you further, let me take you higher. Girl, let me tell you something. Me love your body and me want it on me. Can't let you walk away. And if you walk, come walk with me. So me love your body and me want it only. Any man a fool if them leave you lonely. Come take it off on the X-Zone.
Artist go by the names called Kurtiouss.
I've got this love for you, this love for you. Give you my heart, life's a pill like we want it to. And this love for you, this love for you. Deep in my heart, I feel we were born in love. This love for you, this love for you. Me and you ready, we're gonna end nothing.
Natural vibes.
You smile bright like the sun in the morning sky. When you're around, I enjoy every second of the time. There's no other place that I'd rather be than right here with you and me, and you, I live it up, love. I've got this love for you, this love.
Jah Cure is also on the rhythm.
Life's a pill like we want it to. And this love for you, this love.
Goes a little something like this.
How can I explain to you, baby? There's no dictionary
Sunshine Tina.
that I can find. Few words can't explain. So I write a song for you.
That's the Rasta. Come on.
Of my heart. I just wanna say I love you, girl. Yeah. Girl, I'm pretty like a bed of fools there.
La vida.
First out of the morning dew. Oh yeah. Friend like the sun that converts in morning. Yeah. That's so beautiful like you.
Brand new.
How can I explain to you, baby? There's no dictionary in the world that I can.
Hold on. Who is this? Who is this?
Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can I be your sunshine?
Hey, tell her the last song for the rhythm. See? With the signal. Can you be my lady? Reggae Vibes music. Natural Vibes rhythm. Dropping this Friday. Appreciate it, alright?
Baby, can you give me a minute of your time? Yeah. Excuse me, miss, what's your name? Can I be your sunshine in the rain? Smile so different, not the same. Beautiful and entertain. Gonna be the safe space on your brain. I give you joy, no need to complain. And I like to know the things that make you smile, baby. Is that okay? Let me know when you're ready. Come on, come on.
Jimmy Q, big up yourself. I'm busy, the staff president and the resident. I'm not watching now.
Love Jamaica, I'm not sell out. Now boy can't buy Jimmy Q them out.
Represent Jimmy Q, basic.
Let me run it back, man. La vida, love it all. Bad.
Baby,
Please, represent Jimmy Q.
minute of your time. Yeah. Excuse me, miss, what's your name?
Hey, Sherry, welcome in.
Sunshine in the rain. Smile so different.
Reggae Wednesdays.
Same. Beautiful energy, I entertain.
Drop me some pre-release, eh?
Safe space on your
This one out on Friday.
I give you joy, no need to complain. And I like to know the things that make you smile, baby. Is that okay? Let me know when you're ready. that you belong. Long as you're there with me ready for keep
Double chicken party.
living in love, we connect
Your organics in the building, guys.
Yeah.
Love every time.
Baby.
Backyard vibes, welcome in.
No match up to you. Enough of them a try, but none of them no catch up to you. Need you in my life, and me I tell you it's up to you. Can you be my baby? I forever, baby. Me girl, some of them a try, but them don't face me. You want what it takes me, drive me crazy.
I already know about time right now.
Later me I pull up again.
Just I realize.
Then I set it at 8, no light. Let me know when you're ready.